Hi everyone, my brother got new slime. Say hello.
Hello.
And it's from Toy Kingdom.
And it's a reward for finishing my command C1 to D1.
And also, mine is right there. It's a unicorn egg, and it's called a rainbow corn. And mine is to going from A2 to B1. So, open it.
No, I am the one. Come on. Oh.
Do it.
No. I remember something here. Aha, there you are.
Your turn next. Open it.
I need scissors of justice. Pull. Oh, thank you, Mommy.
Can I try touching? Ooh, that's so liquidy.
Oh, yeah, that is good.
Put it down here. Put it down here. Put it down. Put it here. Put it here. Looks like juice. Ew. So sticky and liquidy.
Oh, yeah, we like it.
Ew. Feels like we're in the pool. Stop. I want to try.
Wait, try doing like this.
It's so slippery that it's slipping out of my hands.
It's so goopy also.
Yeah, goopy.
Bleh, bleh, bleh. Oh, look at the slime bomb. It's actually so silent. It's a silent slime. Ooh la la. Oh wow, it's literally getting all over my hand. Torture!
I couldn't
No
hold
torture! Why, wow world?
Put this up here. Oh, connected. I hope it doesn't go to my blazer. This is a glow-in-the-dark slime. It's my brother's. Say it, Kuya.
This is my slime, I love it.
And it's...
Glow in the dark.
Turn off the lights.
Shut the
please.
lights.
Try it out.
No.
Turn off the lights.
Get off my hand, slime. Blech. Nope.
Shut the lights. And let's see if it is. Yeah.
Blop, 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 blop. Blop. Sliming down.
Whoa! Look at it.
Slime. Wow, 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 wow. Look at it like a slimy ball. Interesting.
Can I have some?
Wait.
Yo.
So slimy. So gooey.
The table will someday glow in the dark.
Just stop! Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell!
Ding, ding, ding,
Bye-bye. See you next video. Jinx!
Double jinx!
Triple
Triple
jinx!
jinx!
I said
Quadruple
No, I
jinx!
said it first, Andrea.
No.